Hey guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. Today the kids and I are headed to Costco. It has been a long time since we did a big grocery haul, so for today I'm focusing on foods for Christmas. I'm hoping to find our Christmas ham and everything we need for Christmas dinner. So I haven't actually made a grocery shopping list yet, but I did go ahead and print out some recipes that I'm hoping to try. For Christmas dinner, I want to make this crock-pot brown sugar ham that looks delicious. For an appetizer, I'm super excited to make the cranberry salsa. I've seen my friend Kimmy make this a ton on her channel, so I'm excited to make that. And then for Christmas dessert, we're gonna try something a little bit different. The kids and I are going to be making some of these super soft sugar cookies. This is a Six Sister recipe, so I know it's gonna be good. So now that I have all the kids loaded up, let's head on to Costco. And hopefully the traffic won't be so bad. Okay guys, we made it to Costco. Traffic wasn't so bad. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. And me.
And you. What are the rules, Lily?
No screaming, no crying, no running away, no stealing stuff, no falling over, no being weird. No being weird.
Now I found a killer good deal. This 3-piece ceramic bowl set is only $9.99 or $9.97. And this is a really good deal. These bowls are super nice. But check it out, you guys. There's only one left. What did you guys find?
A fuzzy pillow.
Fuzzy pillow. Oh, it's so soft. So we're over here in the cold room getting produce. And Lily has a new trick that she just showed me. Can you show our friends?
No.
Come on. Show us your trick. Whoa. Look at the super cute Christmas cake.
I should look at cakes.
I love that one. That is so pretty. And then there's a blue one as well. Check this out, you guys. There's only one left. This is fancy caviar. It is only $50. I think I'm gonna pass. What did you find there, miss?
A giant jug of Nutella.
You think we should get that?
Yes.
Are you gonna eat it all by yourself?
Yes.
Okay guys, we're back home now. Are you ready for some sticker shock? Today's grocery haul came to just over $500. I kid you not, I was so shocked because I feel like we just picked up some of our normal everyday grocery items with maybe just 1 or 2 extras. So yeah, I really think the price of groceries has definitely gone up at Costco. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got specifically for Christmas first, starting with brunch. Now usually on Christmas, for the last couple of years anyway, I've always made a cheesy grits casserole and I serve it with sausage. So this year I decided to pick up this chicken sausage. This looks like really good quality. Now I do already have plenty of grits in my pantry, so I didn't need to pick up any of those, but I did go ahead and stock up on the cheddar cheese. I'll definitely be needing some of this to go in the grits, and then with the other bag I'll probably stick that in the freezer. So for our Christmas appetizers, I realized that I have pretty much everything for this cranberry salsa already, minus the cilantro. And I think I'm going to purchase that closer to Christmas just so it can be nice and fresh. But to go along with this cranberry salsa, I'm going to be serving these holiday tortilla chips. These are so fun because of the green and red on here. But I actually didn't find these at Costco. I found these at a store called Publix. And because I'm not quite sure if my kids will like the cranberry salsa, I am going to go ahead and mix up some guacamole as well. So we've got a big bag of avocados. Now for Christmas dinner itself, I am going to be making a side dish of Brussels sprouts. I'm just going to roast these with a little bit of bacon. They're going to be so good. And I'm also going to be making some kind of potato dish, maybe mashed potatoes or cheesy potatoes. I'm not quite sure yet, but I did get this ginormous 15-pound bag of potatoes at Costco, so this is going to last us a while. I'm also going to be making some deviled eggs to go along with our meal. It's been a long time since I've made them, so I did go ahead and pick up plenty of eggs, not just for Christmas, but also for baking and for breakfasts around here. I also made sure to pick up some unsalted butter. I'll probably need this with the grits and with the potatoes and with the cookies if we end up making those cookies. I do have everything already in the pantry, but but when we were at the store, they were sampling these, and my kids asked if we could have these for Christmas dessert instead of cookies. So maybe we'll still make the cookies. I'm not quite sure. Now, as far as bread goes, I didn't get any from Costco because I do have a bag of these frozen yeast rolls. I'll probably just pop some of these in the oven for Christmas dinner. And then of course we have the star of the show, which is going to be this spiral sliced ham. I did try to find the smallest one I could at Costco because I'm not feeding that many people, but really the smallest one they had was still $23 for this guy. So to go with this ham, I also got some cans of pineapple because that's what I need if I follow this recipe. But I did notice that this ham came with some seasoning and spices already, so I'm not quite sure if I should use this or if I should do my own thing. I haven't decided yet. So that's pretty much it for Christmas Day. We have breakfast, appetizers, dinner, and dessert. Now I can show you everything else that I picked up from Costco. Now moving on to the dairy, the meat, and the produce. I'll go ahead and start back here. I just got one bunch of organic bananas. I got a bag of these organic apples, and of course these are the Mickey ones because we love these. These are actually a really good price for organic apples, and I like that they're smaller, perfect size for my kids. I also got this big package of corn, 2 bags of organic baby carrots, a bag of cauliflower, celery, and cucumbers. When it comes to fruits and veggies, these are pretty much the only ones my kids like, so I tend to buy them over and over. And now I almost forgot about the navel oranges. I love buying these around Christmas time. I love to put them in the bottom of the stockings. These are so good, and they just remind me of Christmas. Now, as far as meat and dairy goes, I did go ahead and get a triple pack of the regular milk for the kids. I got 2 boxes of my favorite almond milk. We don't make it to Costco very often, so I definitely stock up on these 2 things because I don't like to run out. Now, I already showed you the shredded cheddar cheese, but I did go ahead and pick up 2 packages of the mozzarella as well. This will last us a very long time. I'll put one in the fridge and one in the freezer. I also picked up some sliced cheddar cheese to go into lunches. I got some queso blanco for a special recipe I'm working on. Now back over here, I have something I've never purchased before, but it looks really good. This is like a cheesy cauliflower bake. It is gluten-free. I'm not sure if the kids will like it, but it looks yummy to me. I also picked up some of this fully cooked bacon. I pretty much get this every time we go to Costco now because I really don't like cooking regular bacon and dealing with all the grease. This is a lot easier. Then I also picked up a triple pack of ground turkey. I do have plans to make more of my taco soup one night. I'll be making some spaghetti one night, and with this other package, I'm not quite sure what I'm making yet. Now I also stocked up on some staple items, including a triple pack of ketchup. We were totally out of ketchup. I also got some Better Than Bouillon chicken base. This is great for making soups and stews. And I also got the beef one as well. These are organic and they last a long time. I got a double pack of the Hawaiian rolls. These are so nice and soft right now. I'll probably stick one of these packages in the freezer, and I'll probably use the other one to make some cheeseburger sliders one night for dinner this week. We were also completely out of peanut butter, so I got a double pack of this, and we were almost out of jam, so I just got one of those as well. And these will actually last us a long time because usually I only make peanut butter and jelly one day a week just so the kids don't get tired of it. So yeah, this will last a long time. I also stocked up on my black beans. I love to put these in chili and taco soup, but I was kind of bummed they only had black beans. They didn't have pinto or kidney. I would have purchased those as well if they had them. I also got a package of the diced tomatoes. Again, I love to put these in chilies and stews and recipes like that. I also picked up some turkey sausage. The kids love to have this for breakfast, and it's so quick and easy. We love it. And then I also got the 5-cheese tortelloni. Again, this is definitely a staple. I like to have it on hand for quick dinners on busy nights. Okay guys, so as far as non-food items go, I didn't get a lot, just these 4 items, but this guy definitely helped the price tag go up because it was $99. This is basically a NutriBullet blender. I've been looking at blenders at Costco for a long time, and I finally just decided on this one. We haven't actually had a blender since we moved to Florida, so I'm looking forward to some smoothies. And I'm hoping this one works really well. It does come with 3 of these travel cups, which I really like. Then I also picked up this set of bowls. These are really nice, you guys, and it was only $9.97. So again, another Christmas present for myself. I actually looked at these in the store, and I was shocked that they were less than $10. These are actually stoneware, they're microwave and dishwasher safe, so I'm excited to give these a try. I also got some wrapping paper. Costco has a really good wrapping paper, and I love that this comes with 4, so I'll be able to have a different kind of wrapping paper for each of my kids so I can easily tell whose is whose when they're under the tree. And then of course, I also picked up some paper towels because we were completely out. Now you guys, I would love to know what you're making for Christmas dinner, so let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.